Hi, I'm Gigi. We're living simply either in Sicily or the United States. We were thinking back about some of the things that we really enjoyed in Sicily, and one of them is cannolis. Cannolis are a Sicilian treat, and the best cannolis come from Sicily. Here we are in the United States. We can't make Sicilian cannolis, but we're going to try to give it a go. Two things that you definitely need from me, in my opinion, is the 00 flour and Marsala wine. I have 250 grams of the flour, cinnamon, some cocoa powder, and a little bit of espresso powder as well, and a tiny bit of salt. We're going to mix that up, the dough, and then as we mix it, we'll add a little bit of lard. In this case, I'm using coconut oil because the lard here is a little funky. I haven't rendered my pork fat lately, so I don't have any. So I'm going to try to use the coconut oil. We'll see how that goes, along with some white wine vinegar and the Marsala wine. So I'll show you the fast process of how we'll do it, and hope you enjoy. We know that we can't cook like we can here in the United States, in Sicily, but just try to work with what you have and you will come up with a good recipe. Minutes, or which is basically what how long you're supposed to knead it for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to knead it on here, and then I'm going to take it out, feel it, see if it needs more liquid, more wine, whatever it needs, and then put it back. Okay. And then I might even let it rest a little bit and then do it again. How soft it is. Now that's a beautiful dough. Nice and soft. So, and basically you're gonna knead it just like you would if you wanna do it by hand, which is better because it helps you to feel it. Two schools of thought. Okay. Some people wrap it, leave it on the counter. Some people wrap it and they put it in the refrigerator. If you put it in the refrigerator, then you have to let it sit back on the counter to come to room temperature. Makes sense. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Okay. And that will give us enough time. After an hour, we'll take it out and we'll sit on the counter for an hour. Okay. And we'll make, in the meantime, we'll make a ricotta filling. And we'll cut up the oranges and lemons and we'll candy them. Washed them in a special fruit wash, and I ran them under hot water to make sure that if there was any wax on it, that would go away. I'm hoping it's not too waxy. What we want to do is we want to cut them about, you don't want to go too thin because we're going to boil these first, and so you want to cut them about 1/4 of an inch, so like that. If you have trouble, you can always turn your orange And that way you'll get nice size. But you want them to be pretty much the same all the way around. Give it a squish. Look at all that beautiful orangeness. And voila. You can either sprinkle some powdered sugar or not, as you desire. Buon appetito. Guess what I made you? Okay, Jeff. Can you please tell me what you think of the cannoli?
On the surface, it looks very nice. It's got a nice flavor, nice color, and a nice texture to it. Looks like very crunchy for the shell. The filling looks really good.
All right, go for it.
And I think you might have some orange in the filling.
Yes. Can you show the orange?
Yes, I see the orange slice is right here.
So that orange is a orange that I've put in a sugar syrup and made into a candied orange. And then you take that and chop it up, and that's what goes into a Sicilian cannoli.
Wow.
Buon appetito,
I'm
Jeff.
telling you, let me just get my lips around this luscious looking little fella.
How's that?
That is delicious.
I want to taste.
It's incredible.
Buon appetito.
Delicious. Grazie mille.